So now the next question is question number 40 of this series IIT JAM PYQ MS Solution 2026. Question is as we have x1, x2, xn random sample of size n and that is following exponential beta. और ऊपर इंस्ट्रक्शन में दिया हुआ है कि एक्सपोनेंशियल बीटा का पीडीएफ क्या होगा. दैट वुड बी एफ एक्स एक्स एज दिस वुड बी वन बाय बीटा ई टू द पावर माइनस बी ई टू द पावर माइनस x by beta, and here beta is greater than 0 and t is summation of xi, and we need to check this statement, and there can be more than one statement that can be correct. So now here t is summation of xi, I goes from 1 to n, and it is random sample, that means all xi's are independent. तो ये क्या फॉलो करेगा? दैट वुड फॉलो गामा, क्योंकि रिजल्ट है, एंड वी कैन प्रूव इजीली बाय ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. तो ये गामा एन कॉमा बीटा फॉलो करेगा. तो एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ टी वुड बी एन बीटा एंड वेरिएंस ऑफ टी वुड बी एन बीटा स्क्वायर. सो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. सो नाउ दिस इज फॉर ए. Now check B. Since t follow gamma n comma beta, then t by beta would be gamma n comma 1, and 2t by beta would be gamma n by 2 comma 1. That is nothing but chi square 2n. We can easily prove by transformation. Now the C is beta t by 2. That means t is following gamma n comma beta, and beta t would follow gamma n comma 1, and by 2 would be, and since we are multiplying beta now, then it will divide, that means beta square, and this would be 2. So expectation of beta t by 2 would be n beta square by 2, and variance of beta t by 2 would be n beta 4 by 4. So now next is option number D. For this we need the PDF of t, as since t is following gamma n comma beta, this would be t to the power beta 1 by beta n minus 1 e to the power minus 1 by beta t divided by beta to the power n gamma n. Now differentiate this with respect to beta with respect to t, because we need the mode of t. So with respect to t, that means n minus 1 t to the power n minus 2 minus 1 by beta that is e to the power minus t by beta minus 1 by beta e to the power minus 1 by beta t to the power n minus 1 divided by beta to the power n by gamma n. Now equate it to 0. We get t to the power n minus 2 n minus 1 e to the power minus t by beta is equal to 1 by beta e to the power minus 1 by beta t to the power n minus 1. That means we get this cancel out, n minus 1 beta is equal to t to the power n minus 1 into t to the power 2 minus n, that is t to the power 1, that is t. That means we get mode as n minus 1 beta, as the option is correct. C is also correct, B is also correct. So the answer is B, C and D.